To transfer money using Venmo security, start by opening the Venmo app and logging into your account. Make sure you have the latest version of the app to ensure you have the most up-to-date security features. Once you are logged in, navigate to the payment screen where you can enter the recipient's username or phone number. You can also select the recipient from your list of friends or contacts. Before you initiate the transfer, review the recipient's information to ensure it is correct. Double-check the username or phone number to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and add a note to describe the payment. This note will be visible to the recipient and can help them identify the purpose of the payment. Now review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's information, the amount and the note. If everything is correct, tap the Pay button to initiate the transfer. Venmo uses encryption to secure your transactions and protect your financial information. They also use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. To add an extra layer of security to your transfers, consider using a PIN or fingerprint authentication. This will require you to enter a PIN or use your fingerprint to authenticate the transfer. When using Venmo to transfer money, make sure to only send money to people you trust. Be cautious when sending money to someone you do not know well, as it can be difficult to recover your money if something goes wrong. By following these steps and using the security features provided by Venmo, you can transfer money securely and easily. Remember to always review the payment details carefully and be cautious when sending money to someone you do not know well. Venmo also has a verification process in place to help prevent fraudulent activity. They verify the identity of users and monitor transactions for suspicious activity. If a transaction is flagged as suspicious, Venmo may require additional verification or cancel the transaction. Overall, Venmo provides a secure way to transfer money to friends and family. By using the security features provided and being cautious when sending money, you can help protect yourself and your financial information.